What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video, and I haven't said that intro in a very long time. Sorry I took a small little break. Wrapping this car has been a pain in the ass, so it just kind of took a lot out of me, but we're back to making videos. I promise you guys for the rest of the year, once a week, I'm going to post a brand new video for you guys to be more consistent with you guys. It's been probably over a week since I posted one. I think it's like 8 days. Kind of wanted to step back a little bit and kind of regain focus of what we got to do, because there's a lot of things that we still need to do for the car. I'll get to it in another video, but just to talk about this video, I have an exhaust video for you guys. This is long overdue that I haven't done. I'm surprised that I haven't done it yet. I've been putting it on the back burner and I've been too busy to do it. To kind of go over what we're doing and kind of let you guys know what we have. So for the headers, I do have the SKUNK2 alpha headers, and I also have the INVIDIA Q300 exhaust. Let me know what you guys think, and when you guys watch the videos, let me know what you guys think. I got pulled over for this car a couple days ago, and one of his reasons was because it's a loud exhaust. I was going about 15 miles an hour, so there's no way he would have heard the exhaust, because to me, I think it's a very, very quiet exhaust. I don't think it's loud at all. You guys know me, my Type R has been loud, my SI has been loud, so I've had some pretty loud cars. To call this one loud, I don't think so. Definitely when I'm on it, it's loud, but going 15 miles an hour, I don't think he would have heard that. But let me know what you guys think. I might be getting rid of the exhaust and try to get the full race exhaust if I can find one for sale, because I heard that's a true 3-inch and it's better for this motor because it just wants to breathe better. This is a I believe this is a 2.75. The other one's a full 3-inch, so I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, let me know what you guys think. I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I promise you guys I'm gonna post a lot more. I want to be more consistent and finish the year off good. So we got a lot of things coming up for this car, but like I mentioned, I'll do that in another video. But I hope you guys enjoy these sound clips and the audio. I do have some driving for you guys, some pulls, and I also have some res for you guys, which I don't like doing too much, but honestly, for the content, why not? Yeah, to sit back, relax, and enjoy the sounds of the K20 motor.
Cannon.